Ladies and gentlemen, let's go via this video here. Okay, this is they were the alarm testers. Okay, the guy is checking the alarms. So it's altogether useless jobs. Okay, vis-a-vis you can see from where we are just saying. Okay, this is their letter. Okay, the letter which they sent is here. The letter says they want my unit. Okay, the alarm, they want to check the alarm of my units. So for this date, then to that date, then they said they are from another office here. The superintendent last time even put a name, but they say they're from Anderson Electronics, so as their name. So I don't know. So I'm just taking their name for payroll purpose. Okay, since I'm a payroll administrator there, you can see that's payroll administrations. I wanted their name for payrolls. So you can see no names given to any payroll administrators to reduce this scam, hiking, and then level in Canada. Okay, but this order is to whom it may concerns. Okay, so it may concern, and then which is dated to this date, which is this was, and then the three persons name field, so no money lended. Okay, so if they cannot provide the names, of course no money lended. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, no money lended. So let's play here. So let's see. This is the two problems here. Okay, this was from the first one here. They failed to give their name also. They feel very ashamed because they work with for these companies called Anderson Electronic. Okay, Anderson's Electronic. They say it is USA capacity. Think for federal. They work for federal. They don't work for London Housing. So, as my correspondent is London Housing. So, these people, they are not the company owners, and they are the people we answer in question and answers. But they are very aggressive. They're scammed. They should do stop such kind of things because they're the one even drinking somewhere there. Okay, their policy is not worth it. So if you look here, is all along doesn't help and doesn't participate an individual's wants. So they are retarded, of course, and it's not a good thing. So we are seeing uh, they are not really. They see it. They are addition. They are this name here. So they cannot write their name. So as the staffs of this guy, so they cannot write their names. So that's why we ain't urging for zero. Okay, no names, except we last times we happened to show you guys one name, and then after this video finish, I will show you the superintendent put his name there. Okay, but those two guys which returned to they failed to provide their name. So let's see here from the last times. This was the guy that provided the name the superintendent. Put his address there, and then he can get paid. But these two guys, I don't think so. We will get them paid because I'm also auditioned, but not a participant. I'm also administrator in payrolls. If we have people like this, whatever they say, the employees, and then you can see there I have my payroll administratives. So I'm also a Canadian owned addition business. If that is Canadian educations, for which they cannot, of course, fool to people. They should know is if they are really there for what they are doing. Otherwise, it doesn't really help very much. Okay. So on occasions, that is the areas which we are saying they should at least know what they are supposed to do, because that is vis-a-vis is not a good thing. If you cannot provide your names, how will we pay you? Whatever that's their company paying them, not us. And then we have the right as a payroll administrators, we can stop them from getting paid till they will comply with some homes. They are going anyhow, they don't know. This is not a company there to be respected. I cannot protect their name. What is my safety here at workplace? So they cannot afford to nobody. Whatever they say, they have their companies. This is what they are testing there. They think is still blinking there, and then that's the thing there which they are testing. Okay, so that's criteria. So one overview. Otherwise, there that's me. Wayne Hassan, as is it on.